Pony 526, behind TKLM Embraer, departing from the beginning. Line up weight, runway 24, Sierra 8 behind.
Line up and wait behind the ERJ, County 526.
It's an Embraer.
Embraer, County 526. Tower County 526 is line up and wait, runway 24.
Thank you. Pony 526, runway 24, clear for takeoff, the wind 220, 14 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 24, County 526.